Because you spend a lot of time, hard work on improving your technique and your speed with the ball. But what is the key to get better at dribbling?
I'm always say it's all package. First of all, it's the talent helps a lot, of course, but of course the ethic of work. You have to put in your mind ethic of work when you are professional. So since day one, when I start with a professional, let's say with 16, 17, 18, I'm always have ethic to be the best.
Whether you are fond of watching soccer or not, it doesn't matter. But you must have heard of Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo is the second most earning athlete in the world and the most famous footballer in the world. Today we will tell you how Cristiano Ronaldo spends his millions of dollars. Ronaldo was born in a poor house in Portugal where his entire family lived in one room. When he was 14 years old, he took a very difficult step to play football, and that was to leave school. His plan worked, and in 2019, Ronaldo made $109 million in his name in 1 year, which amounts to 817 crore rupees. Ronaldo signed a 4-year contract with the Juventus Football Club in 2018, which would give him $64 million in just 1 year. $256 million in 4 years, which amounts to 1,900 crores. Not only that, but a $117 million transfer fee from Real Madrid to Juventus was also given to Ronaldo, i.e. 870 crores to be signed on just one paper. This is the money that Ronaldo will get by playing football, but everyone knows that the most famous athletes don't earn money just by playing. Cristiano Ronaldo earns 330 crore rupees and 870 crores to be signed on just one paper. This is the money that Ronaldo will get by playing football. But everyone knows that the most famous athletes don't earn money just by playing. Cristiano Ronaldo earns 330 crore rupees every year just by brand endorsement like Clean Health Care, Tagwire Herbalife, and Toyota. But Ronaldo's biggest contract is with Nike, which will earn Ronaldo $1 billion in his career, yes, 7,500 crore rupees. All this has been earned on one side now. Let's come to Ronaldo's secondary income apart from sports and brand endorsements. Ronaldo has also opened many businesses. Ronaldo has opened to hotels whose name is Pastana CR71 is in Lisbon, and the other in Funchal. In addition to this, in Spain, there is also a hair transplant clinic of Ronaldo named Inspira, and a clothing company named CR7 has also been opened by Ronaldo, so Ronaldo has made a lot of money. But where does he spend so much money? If we talk about spending, Ronaldo is crazy about buying villas and properties in the whole world. Ronaldo has bought properties worth $27 million, i.e. 200 crore rupees. These properties include Ronaldo's double villa in Italy, yes. When one villa did not work, Ronaldo bought another villa and made a double villa. This double villa has 8 bedrooms, indoor and outdoor pools, private garden, and an indoor gym. This is not the only villa in Ronaldo's property. Ronaldo also owns an apartment in Trump Tower in New York City, which is worth $18 million, 135 crore. Ronaldo's luxury apartment has 3 bedrooms whose windows can view the beautiful views of the New York Central Park and Hudson River. In addition to this, Ronaldo also owns a vacation home in Spain, which costs $1.6 million, 12 crore rupees. In this modern vacation home, there is also an indoor cinema, infinity pool, ocean view, and an indoor bar. If the income is $100 million annually, Ronaldo is also fond of keeping a collection of luxury cars. Along with properties at present, Ronaldo has a collection of 19 luxury cars. Along with properties at present, Ronaldo has a collection of 19 luxury cars worth billions of rupees. Among those luxury cars, there are $360,000 Rolls-Royce Phantom, $220,000 Bentley GT Speed to Aston Martins, $1.7 million Bugatti Veyron, and $8.5 million limited edition Bugatti. This car was only 10 pieces made in the world, one of which is with Cristiano Ronaldo. This car can go from 0 to 100 in just 2.5 seconds. The thing is not over yet. Apart from cars, Ronaldo also has two private jets. One is Gulfstream G200 business jet, which costs $19 million, i.e. 145 crores, but Ronaldo didn't take a break on one jet. He bought the Gulfstream G650 for $64 million, yes. The best private jet in the world for 480 crore rupees. This private jet is only made for 8 passengers, and the special thing about it is that the interior of this private jet is made according to the owner's wish. Ronaldo travels in full style wherever he goes, despite spending on luxury cars, villas, and jets. Ronaldo does not hesitate to spend on his clothes and watches. He also has the most expensive Rolex watch, Rolex GMT Master Ice, which is priced at $485,000. This watch, worth 360 million rupees, is made of only diamonds and white gold. What did you think about Cristiano Ronaldo's wealth? If you have so much money, what will you do? Do let me know in the comments.